Yo, Jay in the building, man. Hey, and I just want to make a quick video for y'all. Some of y'all might trying to be getting hip to the whole wave game, and there might be a glimmer of hope for some of you straight hair wavers if y'all trying to get uh, some waves with the straight hair. And basically, real quick, I'm gonna tell you a possibility that I've thought of how to get waves, and I haven't heard anyone else say this. I don't know for sure if it's going to work or not, but it's worth a shot for sure. And so basically, what I thought about is with people with straight hair. If you're trying to get the waves, you're trying to get that little 360 spin move on them. What you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to grow your hair out a little bit, and then you're going to have to go get a perm from somewhere. So go to Sally's, or I don't know, you can do it yourself, or you go to like Great Clips or something. Get you a perm with the shortest, I don't know the shortest length of hair you can get for a perm, but I'm assuming it's pretty short because they got a bunch of different combs. So what you need to do is go to Sally's or wherever the fuck, Great Clips, Sport, wherever, and have them perm your shit. And then your hair is gonna be all curly. It's gonna look weird. You're gonna have the JT look going, and you ain't gonna be bringing sexy back right then. But then once you got all those curls, start brushing. Get you a soft and a medium brush, and then start brushing the curls down that you just got with the perm. And I think that should get you the waves, because waves are basically just lay down curls. The more curls you got, the more connections your waves gonna be. So if you want a lot of deep connections, get your shit perm to the max, okay. And basically, so two things are gonna happen when you do this. Either your shit, when it grows out straight from the bottom, is gonna make the waves disappear over time, or after you get the perm and start brushing, it's going to train your naturally straight hair. It's going to train that hair to start following the pattern of the perm and the waves that you've been doing. So I don't know yet. I'm not a straight hair waver, so I can't really tell for sure. But that was just a method I thought about myself, that might be able to get people with straight hair some waves. And then, buy some olive oil lotion, and get you a brush, do-rag, and then just be brushing constantly. And so basically, yeah, that's how I think straight hair people can get waves. I've never heard of that method. I've never heard of anyone else suggesting that method before. But if you got straight hair and you really trying to get waves, you've been brushing your shit hard as fuck till your hair fall out, then you might want to try this method, and it might work for real. So like I said, perm your shit as short as possible, then brush those curls down, and then I think you can get waves. Now, you'll either get, your shit will be like that, and it will teach your hair to grow, or it'll grow out, and to keep getting the waves, you'll have to keep getting your shit repermed. So, it's up to you. I think it might be kind of a temporary thing with the waves, so it's up to you. If you really want waves that bad, you could keep getting your shit perm. That's probably not that bad, good for your hair. But if you really want waves and got your heart set on them, then I feel like that's something you could do. Or it might, like I said, might train your hair to grow like that. So you never know. But anyways, guys, this is Jay. Just want to bring y'all a quick video. I'm going to be posting nonstop. Please hit that subscribe button. Please, give this video a like, comment if it helped you, or if it really worked. If it really works for you and you try this method, let me know. I'd love to hear, if it's working or not for you guys. So, but yeah, that's going to be it for me. Jay signing out, Jay Rotis, and I'll catch you on the next video. All right, peace.